by making a website as a demo, and I will show you how to make the website in just 5 minutes, so like 4 or 5 p.m. only. So till 4:10 we have to make the website. First of all, you have to go to Anti-Gravity, install the Anti-Gravity from this website. Like I've already installed it, so I don't need to install again. Okay, so when you install the Anti-Gravity, an icon will come here. Okay, so just go to this file and go to this open folder, create a folder in desktop. I have created the demo learning. I will select this folder. Now other thing is, next thing is that go to the Chrome, go to ChatGPT, just copy the prompt you got. Like this is the prompt. Okay, yes, I trust the authors. Leave it. Now I will tell you which model you have to take. First of all, take this Cloud Opus 4.6 10K. It's a very good model, as I've already explained in the previous video that this model is very good compared to the other Gemini 3.1 and other 3.1 Pro Low. This model is very good. So like I will tell you briefly, these two models, Sonnet and GPT, are good for designing, but this Opus model is very good for internal thing, like solving backend problem, and whatever problem you are getting, you can done with this Cloud Opus 4.6. So like don't waste the time, we will just paste the prompt into this and we'll just send it. Now we have to just wait until it's getting ready. Okay, got it. So basically, actually at the sometimes users feels that there are like troubleshooting error, like sometimes the AI get failed. So like you just have to click the retry option. Okay, so I'm also going to tell you one more important thing, is that like what happen if your quota get removed, quota limit get reached. So actually, first of all, you have to purchase that Gemini account. Like Gemini gave its account 1 year account for free. So like it's no problem for you. So just go to the control button and press the comma button. When you press the control and comma button, and then you have to come to the model. So you can see when you click this enable AI credits, I've already this 100% credit is given. So like when the quota is completely removed, when the quota is done, this becomes 0. You can use these credits. You can use this credit into this. Right now I don't want to use because I have already quota I have. So like simple, what I'm saying is that you can just, if your this is done, this get empty, you can just enable this and you can use that. But let's see what's going on. See if it's making. So let's wait for some time, and after some time our website will get ready. So finally the website has done. The Anti-Gravity had completed making the website. Now you can see the quota limit. You can see this Cloud Opus, it had got like 80% is only remaining. I already said you, if you get the Gemini account, when it get like 0, you can open this AI credit overlays. It will use the credits from here 100. It will go very long lasting. But don't worry, this refreshes every week. You don't have to wait, and you can simply use Gemini if you want to. Let's get into the demonstration. I also added in the prompt to give me a walkthrough of the website that you just made. So it has given me the walkthrough of the website. You can see the website name is NovaBuy e-commerce demo website. You can see that's made HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It has made the sections. You can see, let's go into the demonstrating the website. Let's say it's working or not. I will go to my desktop. I will to demo learning. I will go to this, and then I will open this index.html. Let's see it's making or not. See, it's beautiful. It has made the website very cleanly, very beautiful, very. So suppose you have to just remember that you have to make the website simple as you want. See, because user when come to your website, it should not be get conflict. You have to make it very easy. So like when I come to this first website, you can see the name is NovaBuy. Okay, shop now. Oh wow, it's you can see it's Aura, it's headphones, pulse fit, smartwatch. You can see there. Got it. So let's just add to this cart. I've added the 2 keyboard and this speaker into the card. Now just go to the proceed to checkout. You can see this is a demo, so no payment was processed because it's a demo. But using a ChatGPT, you can learn how to integrate the payment gateway, how to integrate the backend. Because integration, both of that is a bit complex, but with integrity you can make in 2 and 3 days. Like I made this Anipedia website. I've already shared you before. You can go to this website, you can store the stats and all. You can see like it's taking me like almost a month of time, but now it has made. You can see, you can get the idea from this. So this is how the website Anti-Gravity made. So just what I'm saying is that don't stop, just expand your brain, find new and new AIs. I'm going to drop a lot of AI tools for the future and what will be good in the future, upcoming future. So just stay with me, develop more, learn more, and subscribe me. Thank you.